Unraveling the meaning of taken by, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the phrase, taken by, a common expression in English that can be a bit tricky for learners. Understanding this phrase is important for both speaking and comprehending English effectively. Let's get started on unraveling its meaning and uses. In this section, we'll explore the fundamental meaning of taken by. At its core, taken by often implies being impressed, attracted, or deceived by someone or something. For example, she was taken by his charm. Impressed or attracted. He was taken by the scam. Deceived. Notice how the meaning changes based on the context. Here, we'll look at how taken by is used in various contexts. It's important to understand that the phrase can have different connotations based on the situation. 1. Attraction or admiration. I was taken by her intelligence. 2. Deception. Many were taken by the false advertising. 3. Surprise. He was taken by surprise. Each usage conveys a different aspect of being influenced or affected by someone or something. In this part, we'll address some common mistakes learners make with taken by. It's easy to confuse this phrase with others or use it in the wrong context. Remember, taken with is similar but can imply a lighter or more temporary fascination. Don't confuse taken by with taken aback, which specifically means being surprised or shocked. Let's put our learning into practice. I'll provide some sentences, and you can think about what taken by means in each. 1. The audience was taken by the stunning visuals of the movie. 2. I'm really taken by this new genre of music. 3. The tourists were taken by the elaborate hoax. Think about whether it implies admiration, deception, or another meaning. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of taken by in English. Remember, understanding phrases like this is key to becoming fluent and comfortable in the language. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.